Hi, good evening. So there's another video again that I created. So I will upload it, but this time it will be artificial intelligence. So soon, soon in the future days or weeks, expect more videos in academic and all aspect of uh, academic, business, and other even real estate. I will upload video. I have knowledge on real estate, business, and other yeah, and artificial intelligence. So this one is artificial intelligence, AI. So what is meaning AI? AI, artificial intelligence, from the word artificial is it means man-made, artificial. Natural is unique, right? Like natural key in SQL. Those developers who know natural key, you know that meaning, right? Natural key, unique key. So natural is different from AI. AI it means comes from uh, human mind that automates the output based on the input of the user. Okay, comes from human mind that automates the output based on the input of the user. That's define of artificial intelligence from me for me, huh? So let's start. I will discuss you the two importance how AI works in a structure in applications. So I will upload also in the futures coming days or months uh, AI learning. So different AI structure framework. So soon, but I will start in the architecture. Let's start in expert system of AI. So this will be the first structure. As you can see, this one, the first structure is expert in AI. So let's start from the right. So knowledge base. So I included this knowledge base as an expert, doctor, doctor, engineered, um, anyone, doctor, engineered, or mathematician, or anyone who master a specific degree or field of science, academic, medicine. So once the doctor asks for for detail, they have a data. In classic in a old world, those data had included in index. These indexes based on category or sometimes they arrange in alphabetical. For example, I am a doctor, I am a patient. I have patient A. So I have a record in index card ng patient A. Patient B index card is category for patient B. Patient C category for patient C. So in the evolution of computers, they automate on that. So we have era of vacuum computers until we have chipset, right? But in AI, expert knowledge from those expert person are stored in inference engines. In these inference engines are called are so called database that includes the knowledge from the expert. That includes the knowledge from the expert. I repeat, that includes the knowledge from the expert. So these inference engines include all the inputs of a specific expert, two or more specific experts for that specific fields. For example, this I'm a doctor. I input all my knowledge in database. All my knowledge in neurology, ophthalmology, OB-GYN, that I've been an expertise and I have been licensed to practice that in medicine, right? Because you are many patients, you can handle one patient at a time without a record, just predicting the illness. Okay. So these inference engines are stored in rule-based engine. Rule-based engine is specified by specific rules. Depends on the condition or logic of the application that been set up, and this will be a source or premises of the application that we call so-called double quote artificial intelligence or AI or application layer, and it will respond from the user. Example, I will give you all the detail. I will give all the end-to-end detail in layman's term in this expert system, just to help you to understand this one, because some of many AI discussion, or sorry, some of many AI tutorial learning, they are very broad or overloaded of knowledge, so that the listener or the student, they cannot adapt easily and overloaded or overwhelming. Okay, so I have excuse me, I am a user. I will, and I have applications called Dr. No. That will belong to what? Application layer. Dr. No is a application artificial intelligence that has an inference engines of all knowledge comes from the doctor of cardiology and respiratory. So most of the top doctor of the country, they share the knowledge. They share their knowledge in the inference engine of Dr. No for the cardiology and respiratory. Okay. Okay. So I input. How can I register? How can I cure my symptoms in allergy? Okay. Then the application use a searching pattern. It's fast forward, backward chaining, logical pattern. Then once they find the keyword allergy, it will respond to you the list of the top answer related to allergy that comes from the doctor of cardiology and respiratory. AI is not a robot. It comes from the inference engine that comes from the expert. As we are human, we created the artificial intelligence, not the computer created that artificial intelligence. It's a sarcastic way to discuss that artificial intelligence is created by his own logical code. No computer is using that, except you applied a conditional logic to perform a specific code condition to perform artificial intelligence in his own. Okay. So once the app user responds, it will comes up a best solution. Allergy comes from this illness. Example, allergies comes if you have allergy. Don't drink too much hot water or something. That example, that list of symptoms and what do you call this, symptoms and cause, symptoms and prevention. Sorry for third term, prevention. So once the computer display that on the application, it will respond to the user. Then the user knows how the allergy prevent, how the allergy cause, and how the allergy comes up in his body. Spread in his body. So the best sample of expert system, this structure is Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT that we are currently using in AI. So that's a very good example of artificial intelligence. Okay, so this AI, you must always remember, comes from the knowledge base. If expert system, if the AI application layer is, if the artificial intelligence, it's type of expert system. If the AI program is an expert system, it's always comes from the knowledge of the expert. Now, we go to the second, machine learning. Machine learning, the inference engine comes from the knowledge from the various machine sources like YouTube, StumbleUpon, Us, or Amazon Marketplace. So, this one, example, YouTube, it will receive knowledge that metadata, video details, and also analytics that applies also an AI that stored in a database. Then in the database, translate the machine learning into application layer. Then the application layer responds to the user as a response to their based on their input. Okay. The best example of this is example I will enter in AI application chat Copilot how to troubleshoot mouse. So the Copilot will search from various web, from the spider web, and it will get the best metadata, and it will get the best answer from the best website that it can fetch best detail. It's simple. It's like querying the best, querying always the latest stuff, always the latest updated data, or the latest data from the database. So it's also because the latest data is the hot data or the accurate data. Okay, the best answer. Okay, so example, I input how to travel Philippines. Okay, I input the application layer and artificial intelligence. Then the artificial intelligence sends the input to the machine learning. Then machine learning, it will catch up the best answer that they gather from inference engine. Then it will respond to the user the best answer. Okay, so remember, when you heard an artificial intelligence, AI, there are machine learning and expert system. Expert system comes from the expert knowledge. Machine learning comes from the different sources that come from the machine or internet. StumbleUpon is a website that has an AI. So when you click gathered sample travel, it will stumble or give the latest travel site that you can find, even if you are not familiar, because this one is search from the inference engine, as is an search engine that based on also in inference engine or machine learning. Then Amazon Marketplace, those is search engine is the best way to explain how inference engine work, because inference engine is only a database or store that comes from gather the data from different sources, that this data transformed into a machine learning or rule-based engine that that will give to the application of artificial intelligence to respond to the user input. Okay, so that's all. So expect more video also in this one in future days or months. Then I hope you subscribe and always view my YouTube channel, Quick View, and thank you.